Have you ever wondered what is happening with your network traffic? Why not monitor it yourself? Let me show you how. Update your system. Then install the required library. Install and configure Redis. Verify if the Redis is running. Clone and install NDPI and NTOP. The installation may require some time to finish. Set up NTOP as a service. Start the system. Go to the link to access NTOP. Create an account. Now we have access to the dashboard. As we can see here, we can monitor the top host, top application, top flow talkers, and traffic classification. There's more features that you can explore inside the dashboard. Feel free to explore yourself. And for more tutorial, please follow Cytron tutorial page.